Hello everyone. Whether you are a die-hard baseball fan or just looking for a fun outing with friends and family, buying MLB tickets online can be a breeze. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of buying MLB tickets online step by step, so you can get the best seats and prices for your budget. So let's get started. Start with this video. Make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Now all you gotta do is simply go ahead and launch your browser. Then go to the URL section and search for SeatGeek. So this is the website that we are going to use to actually get to buy tickets. Now go and click over here and click on the first link. And simply now all you have to do is go to this right top corner and click on log in. Since we don't have an account already, click on sign up here and then put here your email address, the full name, and then a password of your choice. And here you have to make sure of upper case and lower case letters, so you have to make it a little bit harder for them to get the password. So here we go, sign up now, and numbers and symbols. Okay, let's add some symbols, and now it shall be created successfully. And as you can see, this is the account, and here you might see the tickets that you have bought. So this is your history. Here you can even see and sell your own ticket that you have, for example, for MLB tickets, e-tickets, NFL tickets. So whatever kind of tickets, you can actually sell them here. And basically, for example, how to do so, click here, search for MLB team, for example, and here go to your Diamondbacks account manager, for example, like that. As you can see, I have to use VPN to actually get the access to this website, but in general, all you have to do is choose whatever ticket and you'll be able to actually sell your own tickets over here. Here, for example, for NFL, you can go here, add game, and then choose what kind of section, 103, row 1, quantity, 5, next. Here, add the seat and the barcode, seat, barcode for each one, and then upload the ticket over here. So it is very easy, guys, to actually start selling tickets on this website, but that's not what we are going to show you in this video. This video we are going to show you how to actually start buying tickets through this website. So now, as you may see, this is the these are like the most popular event that you might see. So these are concerts, NFL, MLB, NBA. There is more: NHL, MLS, Broadway, comedy, NCAA, NCAA, WWE, tennis, and finally here fighting and golf. So these are all the categories that you can find. For example, here in fighting, you will find some kind of WWE, you will find some kickboxing, some kind of wrestling, UFC. If there was any kind of like, this kind of 1v1 between YouTubers like KSI events and etc., you might find them in here as well. So everything will be here. Also, guys, here you can find the most popular 2023 NFL games that are upcoming. So you can actually reserve from now the tickets for some games. As you can see here, it's at Cowboys, Bengals at Titans. So these are all the games that you can find for NFL games. They are all here, and these are like the most popular ones that are in the next month. Here, the same thing for MLB, which is over here. All these are all tickets available for you to buy. And how to know if they are available or not, you can just check here the price. So these are the prices. If there was no prices like here, you can just check it from like clicking on it, and as you may see here, there is actually the prices, so everything is available at the moment. So hurry up and start getting your tickets right now before you lose them. And if you are a fan of concerts, of pop, etc., you can go here, choose what kind of category of pop you'd like. Here, this is alternative, classic rock, country, indie, and much more. As you can see, for example, here you might find even like the popular concerts. For example, for Taylor Swift, here or all the Taylor Swift concerts, and they are pretty expensive, to be honest. Like 1900 for concerts. I mean, yeah, it is up to you guys. Here, as you can see, find tickets. You can find all these tickets for these concerts, and there is much more than that. For example, Ed Sheeran, Shaq Reagan, and your favorite singer will be here 100%. So once your singer announced that there will be a concert in the next upcoming month or days, make sure to check this website. You will find his concert on this website listed, so you can get your tickets and make sure you get it on the first row, so you can meet your singer and try to get to talk to him. But yeah, overall, that's what the website is going to do. And now let's continue with this with our video. So guys, basically now to buy MLB, as I showed you, here the categories you'll find concerts, NFL, MLB, and NBA. And yeah, here it is, MLB, as simple as that. But sometimes the categories may change and may vary, it depends on your country and etc. So if you didn't find the MLB here, you can just write it over here, MLB, and you will find it. Else, you can go to sports and it will be the first one in the list. So don't worry about that. Now, here you will find all the games and all the clubs. So basically, if I click here, for example, I will find first the most popular MLB games for Rays and Yankees, Padres at Dodgers, Cardinals at Red Sox, and much more. So here, for example, you will find all the top upcoming games and the prices. Here they are, and of course the dates as well. Now let's say that you didn't find your favorite team here. You can simply go and click on it from here. So choose it from this list and it will be directing you to all their next upcoming matches. Now let's say that, for example, are going to buy this game. Just click on it, and then what's actually good about the website is they are providing you the map of the stadium itself. And here you can actually get to know where are your seats located exactly. For example, if you'd like to have a seat right over here, you will find it for $49. If you want to be here, this is 175, here 97, here 129, and yeah, the prices vary depending on where is the seat that you are going to sit on. So for example, let's say that you are going to buy the seat which is in area 120A. So let's click on it, and then they will show us the view of it. So you will be looking on how is the view from this position. Now let's go forward, click on it, and then click here to see which row are you going to be sitting on. You will be sitting on the 12th row, and there is 2 tickets available. So in case you'd like to take your girlfriend, your friend, or someone of your family member, your wife, you can just click here, go to checkout, and as you can see, 2 tickets. Click here, and finally what I have to do, put here your mobile number, it has to be in US, then continue to billing. Once you continue to billing, it's simple. You just have to put your credit card number, informations, and then pay, and you will receive everything in your inbox, in your email, and also in the website itself, you will find the tickets over here in the ticket section. So once you arrive to the stadium or the date of the match, you can just open the application, show them the barcode, they will scan it for you, and you'll be all good to go. So you guys, that was it. I hope you liked